Hi everyone, this is Manjushri from Shonata's collection. Hope all of you are fine. So today this is my 7th video of YouTube channel. So thank you all for inspiring me, motivate me and support me. So lots of thanks to all of you. Today I am going to show you some exclusively attractive and very smart material is pure cotton is designer blouse. So let's start. This is blouse number 1. See, first of all you see this color. From close you see this color. This is the Rani color blouse. This is the front portion. This is the design. Sleeveless, but attached sleeves is inside here. I attach the sleeves inside the blouse. If anybody wants to that she does not want to wear sleeveless, then I will attach it. But before, first you have to confirm it. After that I will attach and send it. So this is the sleeves inside it. This is the blouse. This is 36 to 40. You can anybody can wear it. So see the extended portions of the blouse. This is the extended portions inside the blouse. This is the front portion. See, this is the front portion of the blouse. Okay, this is the front portion of the blouse, and this is the back portions of the blouse. The main attractions of this blouse is, see, the first of all this is the stripe portions on this back portion one, and the work. See the close view of this work. This is the work, katha stitch work, and see this color combinations of this work, and see the neatness of this work. See how neat the work is done. See the neatness of this work. Very nicely they have done this work. So this is the full view of this blouse. This is the back view and this is the front view. Material is very skin friendly, very nice and very pretty and smart. This blouse is cost is just rupees 800. Within West Bengal, this is shipping free, and out of West Bengal, if you want to purchase, then you have to purchase any 2 items, then you will get shipping free. So this is number 1 blouse, designer blouse. Material is pure cotton and very skin friendly, and see the design once more. So this is rupees 800. Moving to the next one, see, this is the number 2 blouse. See the design of the blouse. First of all, see the sweet lace is in back portion. This is the back portion. A sweet lace is attached, and see the work. Close view of the work. See this entire work is done. It's done in stitch. This is katha stitch. See the color combinations with the stitch very nicely. This is the back portion with this lace. See the neck design, it is V, deep V, and this is the lace attached with this lace. Makes this blouse is very trendy. See this one. This is the front portions. And the attraction of this blouse is the short sleeves, and see in this border portions is another printed border is here. Sleeves. The sleeves printed border is here. See. So this is 36 to 40. Anybody can take it. So see this extended portion of the blouse. Inside the extended portion of the blouse. See, and see the lower part. See how nicely this is arranged here. See this portion. See, this is the front portion. This is the sleeves portion, short sleeves with the printed border. See, and this is the lower portion. Lower portion you see a printed, this type of design is making here to make this trendy. And this is the back portion. See this blouse. This is the full view of this blouse. This is back portion like this, and this one is front portion. So from 36 to 40 anybody can take this blouse. This is rupees 800. So if you like it, just take a screenshot and send me my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 700358159. 700358159. So moving to the next one. Very nice, very sweet color, you know, it's attractive, it's red, you know, my favorite red color. See, this is a boat neck. This is the front portion. This is boat neck. See that here is a button is attached with this portion. And see this back portion. Attraction of this blouse is, you know, how much this work is done with the katha stitch, with the color combination and this work. See the work. Every work of my productions of Sonata's collections blouses is really very sweet and pretty and very attractive, and some all are some थोड़ा हटके बोलते हैं ना हम लोग, थोड़ा हटके. So like this थोड़ा हटके design. See, and here is a stripe. So this is the back portion of the blouse and this is the front portion. See the neck portion, neck is very attractive, very side boat neck, and this is the front portion and this is the sleeves. So sleeves is, you know, here in sleeves, you know, see here is a border also, and you know it's cutting sleeves, short sleeves. Very smart. This blouse is very smart, very attractive, and material is one pure cotton. All the material of Sonata's collections is based on pure cotton. We don't use any other thread. We don't use mixed cotton. That is, the thread in mixed cotton is used in some linen or other, but we only use cotton thread. So this is material is pure cotton. Very nice. See, this blouse is rupees 800. In West Bengal you will get shipping free. Out of West Bengal you have to purchase 2 blouses or 2 products of any products of Sonata's collection, you will get shipping free. So this is rupees 800. Now another one. See the elegant look of this blouse. Just see how much elegant and very smart looking. This is, see this is the front portion. See the neck. This neck is, you know, we say this is a pan neck portion. See, this is neck portion. This is the buttons. Here is piping is here. See the red piping is there here, and you see the back portion. The main attraction of the back portion. See the neck view of this back portions, and this is the work. Just check out this work, exclusively done with this work. See this work, very nice, and the hands also. See those borders, the short sleeves with this border. See, just see the blouse is really very attractive, I think, and very elegant also. This blouse looks very elegant. So material is pure cotton and the cost of this blouse is rupees 800. So if you like it, just take a screenshot and send me my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 700358159. And if you like my video, please subscribe it and share it with your friends. So this is just rupees 800. See. So moving to the next one. This one is, you know, another one and very stylish, I think. See this blouse. Just see. This is the front portion. This is the front portion. See this piping and there's a work. See this work, Just see. See this work. This is front portion. Very nice. And this one is the back portion. And see the work of this back portion. How nicely this is done. See the work. All this is katha stitch and embroidery, and with this mirror work. See this blouse, exclusive design. All are very exclusive, very nice. Material is very skin friendly. So full guarantee material, very nice. So this is rupees 800 only. So if you like it, just take a screenshot and send me my WhatsApp number. So my WhatsApp number is 70035811589. So rupees 800 only you will get this. Only rupees 800 you will get this blouse. This is very good, very smart and nice. So if you like it and if you want to buy and you want to see more about this blouse, then you can personally message me. Okay, I will send you the more video, more things about this blouse. I will show you. So just if you have any queries according to any products of Sonata's collection, just inform me or message me and you just ask your questions. I will try to answer your questions. So this is from 36 to 40, all of you can wear. See the extended portions of this blouse and see the sleeves. Here is the sleeves attached with this blouse. If anybody wants to does not want to put on sleeveless, they can wear this sleeve by attach this sleeves with this portion. So moving to the next one. See this one, the next one. All are very nice, it's really all are very sweet, very pretty, all are very pretty. So this one also, see the color and front portion, front view of this blouse. This is the putties. One putty is here and one putty is here attached. Okay, this is the putties and see the front design. This is also boat neck. This is also boat neck design, also boat neck. And short sleeves. Sleeves are short. This is boat neck. And see the back portions. See these portions. Here is a design setup here with this putty and here also this portion. See the color combinations and designing everything. This color combinations and this putties and the smartness of this blouse makes it more attractive, more smart. वेरी नाइस, बहुत सुंदर है देखने में, बहुत सच में बहुत सुंदर है. अगर पहनोगे आप तो लोग आपसे पूछेंगे कि आप कहाँ से लिए हो, तो मेरी एडवर्टाइजमेंट भी हो जाएगी. तो प्लीज़ अगर आपको अच्छे लगे तो स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए और मुझे फटाफट अपने व्हाट्सअप नंबर पे मुझे भेज दीजिए 7003581589. जिसके अगर कुछ क्वेश्चन भी है आप जान लीजिए मुझसे. अगर आप वेस्ट बंगाल के हो तो आपको 800 रुपये में मिल जाएगा ये ब्लाउज़. अगर आप बाहर के हो तो आपको 2 प्रोडक्ट्स लेना होगा, एनी 2 प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ सोनाटा's कलेक्शन, एंड यू विल गेट शिपिंग फ्री. सो मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन. सी दिस वन ऑल्सो. See this blouse. This is the back portion. See this stripe, see this stripe, the checks. The design is checks, orange with mixed up with white checks, and this is the patchwork. Here is the patch. See this patch closely. See, this is the stitch, skatha stitch with this patchwork patch. With this patch, see, all are makes this blouse back portion is very attractive, very nice. This one is the front portion. Front portion is like this. This is 1-2 patchwork is here, and see this is the front portion, and inside the sleeves is here, and see the extended portion. So up to 36 to 40 anybody can wear. So this one. If any questions regarding this blouse, then you can personally WhatsApp me. I'll try to solve you all the queries. So this is rupees 800. If you want to purchase, then just give me a screenshot and send me my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number, all of you know, 70035811589. Moving to the next one. This one is very, all is very attractive. See this one. This is the print. This is the front print. This is front print. This is, and this one, this design is make this blouse special. This is the attractive part. This is the lower portions, and this one is the back portion. So back portion is, see the back portion color combinations. One putty is given here, this portions, and this is the pure portion. This makes this blouse very attractive. I think more smart, very nice. एंड थोड़ा हटके है, मैंने कहा ना हर चीज़ थोड़ा हटके है, तो ये भी थोड़ा हटके ही है। सो बहुत ही अच्छा है। अगर आप पहनोगे तो खुद भी खुद मुझे बोलोगे कि सब लोग कितना आपको अप्रिशिएट कर रही है। सो दिस इज़ जस्ट ₹800। अगर 800 रुपये में आपको ये ब्लाउज मिल जाएगा। मटेरियल इज़ प्योर कॉटन। इसके अंदर स्लीव्स भी है, आप देख लीजिए स्लीव्स भी है इसके अंदर, इतना स्लीव्स भी है। अगर आप चाहो कि आप स्लीव्स लगा के पहनो तो कोई बात नहीं, मुझे आप व्हाट्सएप पे बोल सकते हो, मैं लगा दूंगी। इसके लिए कोई दूसरा चार्ज नहीं देना पड़ेगा अगर आप एज ए स्लीवलेस पहनना चाहते हो, क्योंकि ज़्यादातर आजकल लेडीज़ लोग स्लीवलेस ही ज़्यादा पहनते हैं ना, इसलिए स्लीवलेस हुई है। तो कोई बात नहीं, अगर दोनों ऑप्शन ही है यहाँ पे, स्लीव्स विथ स्लीव्स भी है और स्लीवलेस भी है। जो लोग स्लीवलेस पहनना चाहते हो वो ले लो, और जो चाहते हो कि स्लीव्स लगा के पहना तो मुझे बोल देना, ठीक है। लेकिन पहले बुक करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। आपका दिस इज 36 to 40 एनीबॉडी कैन पुट ऑन। सो दिस इज ₹800। So moving to the last blouse of today's episode. This one is the last blouse for today's episode, today's program. This one, see, this is the front portion. See the neck portion, the style of this neck with this stylish printed and kurti. It's very attractive, more pretty, and the color is very nice. The color is very nice. And see this back portion, this is work. See the work, this is work on print to वर्क। यहाँ पे काम किया है काथा स्टिच का, पूरा काथा स्टिच का वर्क है ये पूरा, आप देख लीजिए। जिसको जितना साइज़ चाहिए वो, और जो ये साइज़ 36 से 40 तक होगा। दिस ब्लाउज 36 to 40 एनीबॉडी कैन वेयर। सो इट्स फिटिंग्स इज लाइक दिस। द एक्सटेंडेड पोर्शन इज हियर ऑल्सो। So if you wish to buy it, just give me a screenshot and send me my WhatsApp number. So this is the ₹800. So if you like my video, please share, subscribe it, and for more updates. And thank you for watching me, support me and loving me. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay blessed all. Bye. See you very soon with the second part of this designer blouse. Stay connected, stay healthy. Take care. Bye bye. And remember, if anybody anything you like, just give me a screenshot and send me my WhatsApp number 700358158. Bye bye.